How to show followers on Facebook account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Facebook menu section. Now there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, tap on the settings option available there. Once inside the settings, scroll down to the audience and visibility, and there you will get to see how to find or contact you option available. Simply tap on it. Now here tap on the who can send you friend request and make sure it is in everyone. Now all you have to do is go back to your Facebook profile, and once there tap on the edit profile option available there. Inside edit profile, all you have to do is scroll down until you see details. In details, you can see followed by option available. Tap on the edit. Then scroll down till the bottom and make sure that you have checked the box of followers. If you have not, that it won't be shown to your Facebook profile. If you have checked it, then tap on the save and it will be shown to your Facebook profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.